Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this super new protein that I ordered, which is actually a Ranveer Singh's brand. So I go to gym regularly, and protein is very important. So I bought it, and I just thought, why not share it on my channel? How is it actually? So I'm going to be trying it for the first time. So let's unbox it and taste it, and let me show you how it actually tastes. This is the packaging. Okay, I ordered two flavors, strawberry and chocolate. I think as you can see over here. So this contained this bar. When I bought it, the bars only had options of 10 grams of protein. So one bar has 10 grams of protein. Now it has also come into a 20-gram variant. So this is 10 grams and for 40 rupees. So it is not actually bad. So 80 rupees for 20 gram if you do a unitary math. But yeah, so let's unwrap this as well. Okay, so these are the boxes. For some reason, I don't know anything I've unwrapped or unboxed on this channel has been very difficult to unbox, but in real life it's not. But yeah, the packaging is nice. It was really covered, so I don't think it would be any problem if by chance during the shipping time it got wet. But yeah, the packagings were good. So this is the strawberry flavor and this is the protein flavor. So the main reason I ordered is because these are actually wafers, and I believe I have had protein bars before, and protein bars feels very heavy to eat. Like it's supposed to be heavy, but wafer would have a different texture and I might like it more. Like I'm not a regular protein bar consumer, so wafer might be a new thing and it might be actually good. So let's taste one of these wafers and let me know, tell you how is it. This is how it looks, and you can see there are a lot of bars over here. So let's take out one. Have a strawberry taste. How was it? So the MRP is 55, but when you order it on Amazon, it's 800 for I think 20 bars of protein, which is like 40 rupees per scoop. So, yeah. I've never had a strawberry flavor of protein bar before. I hope it's good. Okay. Okay, so it's slightly melted. Also, because it's written that it usually is better when it's chilled. It is supposed to be kept in a freezer because there's a creamy sort of texture. So okay. So on smelling, it actually smells like Milky Bar, the strawberry flavor. If you have had it already, like I have had Milky Bar strawberry flavor, it smells exactly like that. Let's have a taste test. Okay. Okay. So the taste of the strawberry wafer is really good. Like for a protein bar, it tastes really good. Like usually the protein bars I've had doesn't taste really good and feels very heavy to eat. Like it's very gooey. It's difficult to chew. But this is actually very light, and the taste is actually very good. I hope the 10 grams of protein is right, but yeah, the strawberry flavor taste and the wafer, like the wafer that you get, it feels very good. So that's the strawberry flavor. I'll eat it once I'm done. Let's try the chocolate flavor as well. So here's the chocolate one. So let's take out one bar and have a taste test of these as well. So this is also melted slightly, so it's best if you're buying this, keep it in a freezer or a store cool place, because as you can see, this is slightly melted. It doesn't look good. So let's have a taste test of the chocolate flavor as well. The strawberry was pretty good. I've had water so that there's no bias of the taste. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I've had a sense of it. Yeah, the chocolate one is not as great because I've had previously chocolate bars and like chocolate protein bars. Those, it tastes similar to them. It's not extraordinarily good for Ranveer Singh brand. But yeah, chocolate is fine, but the wafer thing is very good. Like I really like the wafer texture in a protein bar. It's very difficult for me to chew protein bar. It feels very heavy for me. So I'm not sure about the chocolate flavor. Like I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. But this strawberry is a solid 8 out of 10. I'll have one more bite. Yeah, the strawberry one is actually better. So if you're planning to buy a protein, I would suggest going for a strawberry one. But because the strawberry tastes slightly better, and overall it's a wafer protein, so I really like that concept because I have never had wafer protein before. So it's good, and between the tastes, I would recommend the strawberry one. Maybe there are other flavors as well. I've not tried that, but between chocolate and strawberry, go for a strawberry. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk in this video. I think this is a great initiative that people are now bringing variations in protein bars as well. So that's a good thing. So yeah, I hope you like the video. I hope you